better off without that psycho anyway.
You know, when I first hooked up with her, I thought it was my only way in. He was there, and I said, yo. I didn't see any choice. And I don't have that excuse with you.
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm out of here.
You're what?
Look, this wasn't ever no thing. Not for you either.
Well, what do you think? I've been playing here? I'm not playing, Rich. I'm down with this.
You ain't down with nothing.
Look, I'm not some silly white girl that gets her rocks on fucking black guys.
By the time you're 30, you're gonna move back to Long Island, marry some dentist, and have your mama's haircut.
Fuck you!
Denise, it don't matter how good you are at playing, you're still playing.
Oh, yeah, and you're not?
No, baby. Ain't nobody gonna let me play at being a middle-class white person.
Oh, no? Well, isn't that what you've been doing in my bed every night? Okay, look. During World War II, some magazine had this contest where you had to write in and say, if you caught Adolf Hitler in your backyard, what would you do to him? And the winner of the contest said he would put him in the skin of a black man and set him free in America. See, I'm not playing, Rich. I understand.
The man who won, was he black?
What difference does it make?
I'm gonna go pick up my boy, and I'm going home now. There's only one bed I got any business being in, and I'm going back to it.
I'm late for work.